Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I am here on my famous gold claim known as Pickerton. Pickerton has never let me down. I have always found a gold picker every trip I'm in here. But I only have an hour today. Some days it takes me the whole day to find one. Can I do it in an hour? Let's try. Wish me luck. And I hope you enjoy. Now, my best bet to find a picker on short notice is to come back to the hottest spot I have had at Pickerton. This spot here, I found dozens, if not hundreds of pickers over the years. But I cleared it out. I cleared out every last picker I could find on the spot. My thought for today is to try to find one of these little rocks, these bedrock blocks that is loose, that I didn't move back in the day, and hope behind it is hiding one real easy picker for me to find. Maybe that block there is the one. I'll have to see if it's loose. I see some loose cracks. It might come. There was a block sitting right here that when I peeled it away had, I think, 15 pickers hidden behind it. The nugget I found here, the biggest nugget I found on Pickerton, was sitting right there in that crack. Just down there on that little shelf, there were lots of pickers. Let's hope something has been left. Ooh, there's some loose bedrock. That might do it too. I bet you in this little area here, I can find one picker in an hour. I see a crack down the back. I see a crack at the bottom. Oh yeah, it moves easily. Obviously, I never moved that back in the day, so if there's any material behind it at all or in one of these cracks, there could be a picker right here. Now, whenever I move something that has moss on it like this, I like to leave it somewhere where the moss is up and is gonna grow. Okay, here in the first crack I opened up, this rock here, there is material in the crack. This is the stuff that holds the pickers. This is the stuff that needs to go into the pan right there. I often have a little paint scraper to do this. I don't today because I am only here for a very short period of time. Paint scraper. No, don't see any. Handful of pickers. This is the block I'm hoping for. Yep, there's material behind it. It'll take a bit to scrape that all off. When I moved the block that was right here, I could see the pickers in behind. I don't see any right now. So I cleared the material behind it, pushed the block back into place, keep that moss nice and happy, and then I'm gonna go and clear that cracked up stuff right there. A little bit cracked up stuff here that might show potential too. There's some good looking material in behind these cracked up rocks too. Because of my limited time today, I'm gonna be very selective with what I grab, and I'm probably only gonna do one, maybe two pans for the whole day, hoping that I'm just getting the very best material for those couple pans. Apparently I left the metal detector on. It's beeping at me. I will take the metal detector over all of this when I'm done and see what it says. Okay, I found another loose piece close by. Not quite where I was wanting it to be, but looks like enough material in there to fill the rest of the pan. Let's go fill it and see what she has. One picker. One picker is all I want. One picker! And honestly, after getting essentially skunked yesterday, if you're watching this right now, I found a picker before I left. Because if I don't find a picker, I'm not making this video. 2 videos in a row not finding much gold? Not good. Okay, let's go pan this out. Oh, that's not much material. I will do one more pan after this if there's no picker here. But again, if you're watching this, it means I found a picker either here or in the next pan. I've already been half an hour here, and I don't really have that much time. Is it this pan? Is it this pan? I was in the right spot. Had the right looking material. It'll have to be the next pan. There's gold. There's a fair amount of gold. Little stuff. No picker. But that's not what I'm here for. I want the pickers. So, since the hottest spot in the claim showed me no gold, I decided to go back to the origins of the claim. Right there, actually I think right there, is the first picker I found on the claim. So, I got some loose stuff in the crevice. Let's see if the original spot will show me some love. But I have almost no time left. It's either right there or I scrap this video. You guys will know before me. If you're watching this, there's gold in there. I think what I need to do next time I come to Pickerton is just do some prospecting. I need to look around for a new deposit. My old deposits just don't have it anymore. Woo, sharp in there. Got my finger. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. And yet another scrapped video. Well, there you go. 2 days in a row, essentially skunked. I'm not sure why I'm talking to the camera right now. I doubt I'm gonna make this video, but that's prospecting for you. Sometimes can be a bit discouraging. Pickerton has shown me lots of gold, just not lately. Well, actually last trip I got 4 pickers. That wasn't bad. Anyhow, next trip.
And when I have a bad day like this, I have to remind myself, this here is why I like these claims so much.
If I do make this video, hope you enjoyed it for what it's worth. Until the next one, bye.